Hey peoples, welcome to another video. Um, this is going to be about Archinstall 4.4, and that just pretty much got finalized, and it will be available in next month's ISO for Arch Linux. And it's got a lot of notable features, like the fact that Niri now comes with Dank material shell, which is pretty cool. Not my favorite of the dot files of the world, but it's what I ended up building my dot files off of, so it has a pretty good sound base to it, and that's what matters. In future videos, I am going to be concentrating more on things like this, more news type stuff, because I have to fill in the gaps somewhere, and it's something that I don't really do very much. So, take a look out for that, or have a look out for that when it comes. I'm going to try with different types of ways of doing it until I end up finding my own way of getting it done. Because, you know, every person's got to have their own way of doing things. And for me, well, it's usually takes a bit. So I'm just going through things here. Okay. So I'm choosing my bootloader. We're making sure that it works for me. And you can do different things if you want to. Password, because this is a setup. Setup is required. There we go. Enter the password, done. Confirm and exit, and there we go. Now, you may have noticed that lately I've been pushing different YouTubers, other Linux YouTubers, trying to help people gain their footing who's not having very good luck in, you know, finding their way. And I'm not going to be doing that no more. I think I finally learned my lesson to stop trusting people. So, well, things are going to again be more focused on YouTube streaming and things like that, and less focused on coding, I guess, because honestly, it's been eating at my time. Now, as you can see, here is Niri and Dank material shell, and give me one sec. We are going to be selecting this and installing this. Just hop back out, applications, make sure your Bluetooth and your audio are enabled, of course, and your additional fonts are always going to be required. In case you want some stuff, network configuration. Wait, that was the wrong one. Default backend. Time zone. Don't forget to set your time zone. Super easy to do. And there we go. So, day by day, the world gets worse. I lose faith in people. Like, I'm just tired of people lying about me constantly, not communicating with me properly, not checking in. You know, I spend hours teaching people in DMs different things about Linux, making sure they have as much knowledge as possible. I give my energy and my time, and over the last couple of years, after doing that, all that it ends up in is they disappear one day and they have the most bullshit excuse ever, like something they've just pulled out of their ass. So I'm done with it. There's just no point anymore in trying. I'll still teach people, I'll still help people, but I'm just not going to get invested into them like I used to. All they do is they just disappoint. That's it. I gotta start trusting the inner feeling that warns you against doing stupid crap. So do I guess most people in their lives. They just ignore it. It's the one part of my common sense that I just tend to push aside. And like, no, it's gonna be fine. They're gonna be a good person. Nope. Learned that lesson tonight. It's a hard-learned lesson. I'm sorry about the screenshot video today. Like the whole Horizon snap thing. That was dumb. Whatever. Won't happen again, promise. I'm just gonna keep that stuff to myself from now on. And I need to bypass this weird little Arch bug. This only happens on the Arch ISO. Boot manager, miscellaneous device. There we go. Is it already dead, or did it just survive that? Okay, so we're good. There we go. We have our stuff. Here we are. Look at that. And there's Niri. And we're going to enter our username, which was Matt. It's kind of dumb that it doesn't have the username there by default. Password, enter. And like that, we are thrown into Dank Material Shell where there's a bunch of stuff. So, run again. Next. You can set your display, everything you need to. Mine's automatically set. You can grab your and change your wallpaper, themes, and colors. This is more just about an easy way to get started with Niri from regular Archinstall in case you just want to get that done. So again, yeah, this is well, it's not exactly very familiar because when I redid everything, I kind of went through and changed everything and added like 100+ more features, so that was something. Browse, Bing, oh, wall. Really? Can I like show third party? Thank you. Bing, wall. Okay. Install that. Install that. And this one. Well, that didn't do anything, did it? Ooh, that is one ugly ass icon. Ooh. No, thank you. Well, that's weird that that didn't work. Add widget. Odd. You figured it would work, but no, I guess not. Interesting. I don't know. Oh, look at this. They got rid of the... Wow, that's really lame that they got rid of that. Oh well. Automatic color mode. Yeah, nothing's really changed that much since I've ended up doing or redoing, like, I guess changing everything from the ground up. Oh. Hey, at least they have this. That's nice. Anything new in here? No. No. Display assignment. Honestly, yeah, I get that, but I don't like that. I'd rather have it all in one area. Alright, let's go grab a wallpaper and try to make this look pretty. Or at least attempt to. We have nothing. Wow, do we even have, oh, that's mine. Wow. We don't... Where the hell is our terminal? Oh, God, this terminal. Okay, fine. We'll use it. It's not a big deal. Pacman-S Firefox. Now, when it comes to Dank Material Shell, it's probably one of the best you can get. And I'm going to be honest with you. I say that with all heartful intent. I just killed the goddamn VM. I say that with all heartful intent. I'm not really a fan of other shells. They have their issues, and they have some really, really dickhead developers, where Dank is one of the most peaceful developers and people you will ever have the opportunity of, you know, witnessing. So it's really, really nice. There we go. Enter the ass word. All right, let's try this again. Are you serious? Did I not get to install Firefox? Sudo pacman -s Firefox. Oh my good God. This is my own fault, and I'm sorry for wasting your time because of this. But it is what it is, and there's nothing I can really do about it. Sudo remove. I'm just going to use Chromium for today. Yeah. Where is the Chromium? There it is. Good. And I'm going to go to Bing Wallpaper Archive. And we're going to go with this one right here. We're going to grab the prettiest looking colored wallpaper that we can find. Go away. Download the 4K. Close. Great. There it is. It's in our downloads. move it to our home folder, and then move from home folder to there. And I don't, for the life of me, know how to close this without exiting my own desktop environment, without exiting the virtual machine. So yeah, let's just set the wallpaper as it is. You can also change colors there if you need to, but if we go to pictures, there we go. We go to themes and colors, we could turn on auto, which is supposed to technically change the colors according to the background, right? Unless that's no longer a thing. Do they no longer have mutagen support? Uh-huh. Oh, look at that. That's weird. Alright, well, that's fine. Doesn't need to be done. Pop-up transparency. There we go. So we have our blur here, as you can see. I can't... Wait, I can move that window. I can't get rid of it, though. I like... Oh, I exit you without exiting my own desktop. Oh, I thought... I can't speak. Anyway, there you go. As you see, it's now a part of Arch Linux, which is absolutely huge, in case you don't know that. And trying to get out of this window so I can go and like... Okay, 1 second. No, I didn't do it. There we go. That over there. No, I've trapped myself again. So there you have it. That is Dank Material Shell. Now a part of Archinstall 4.4. If you want, you can download an ISO right now from the Arch website and just update the version of Archinstall that's already in the ISO, and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.